Wow, wow. You get to see this every day.
We get to see this every day, yeah.
Imagine driving this in the weekends. Wow, this is so sick. I've seen these cars in pictures beforehand, but looking at this in real life this is different. This is different stuff. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of GP Products, the performance company. And it's another day, so we're going on another trip. And you join me on my way to Gronau in Germany. And we are going to visit VDM Cars, and we're going to take a look at a very, very special car, which is made even more special by NOVITEC. Stick around. We've arrived at VDM Cars, and what a welcome with all these cars already. And if you're a bit like me, and I guess you are if you're watching these videos, you like to in your spare time look at cars online you can't afford just yet. And if you do that, you will notice that all the coolest cars are at VDM Cars. And just a sneak peek of what we're going to look at today, but something caught my eye immediately, and that's a Range Rover Sport L461 with some beautiful urban wheels with floating center caps. So urban everywhere. But come with me, there's more beautiful things inside. Leroy, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, doing great. Doing great.
Welcome.
What a showroom.
Yes.
I've seen the pictures online, but this is insane. Wow, wow. You get to see this every day.
We get to see this every day, yeah.
So you're used to it now, or it's still
I'm
special?
used to it. Everything is special here, but when you see it every day, it gets normal.
Normal.
It gets some kind of normal.
Wow. Can we take a look around?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
So yeah, we have mostly special cars, like not the standard Ferrari F8. We have the NOVITEC and Largo. Not the normal 911. We have the Brabus Rocket.
Over there, we have the Valkyrie. I mean, I've seen these cars in pictures, and they are crazy, by all means. And it's crazy to think that this is road legal, right?
It's road legal.
It's
yes.
How? How?
Yeah, that's a good question. How?
Imagine driving this in the weekends. Wow, beautiful color as well on this A12.
With NOVITEC wheels.
NOVITEC NF10 wheels, NOVITEC Sport Springs as well?
Yes, also.
Yeah, nice. Sterato, always cool. This car makes no sense, but that's what makes it really cool. Over there I see some other cool things. We'll walk past the standard cars.
Standard,
yeah.
Some people standard, yes.
This is massive as well.
The Rolls was better.
They look so well proportioned that it's not that big.
But it's really
when you
huge.
stand next to it, it's
also
a proper,
to drive it, it's a really big car.
It's a land yacht.
Yeah,
it really is.
It is.
And talking about land yachts.
Well, that's the Brabus GLE 900 Rocket. Wow. Limited to 25 pieces worldwide. Yeah, they do an engine upgrade. They make the 4-liter V8 to a 4.5-liter V8.
Okay. 900
horsepower, custom interior, everything. The new G800 on the new facelift model, G-Class.
Yeah, I love it.
With a new interior.
Love the new details they added.
Yeah, they redesigned the whole kit a bit.
Of course, everybody knows the G63 by Brabus, but the small touch-up they did looks really good.
A bit different.
Really good, yeah. But it doesn't stop here, I imagine. You have some other...
We have some more cars. We have something more.
Yeah, just so you know, guys, it's never the end at VDM Cars. It always keeps coming. Yeah.
We go past everything. So when you come in, you already have the F8 and Largo.
Another Largo. And Largo is crazy in itself, but the color on this looks so good. I imagine it's not the stock color.
No, it used to be a Lamborghini color.
Oh yeah.
So it's a bit Lamborghini Ferrari thing, but yeah, I think it's a good option and good choice on this car.
Roma with, also with NOVITEC wheels.
NOVITEC wheels.
488. NOVITEC as well. SF90 tucked away. And a Zagato shooting brake. These are really special. I really I really love those. Another Brabus
one.
G63.
Same spec.
Yeah, Apt RS6, RSQ8, sorry.
Yeah.
We walked past this Puro Sangue, but as you know, NOVITEC just released their new Esteso wide body kit for this car. Wheels, wider arches, crazy carbon fiber options, carbon fiber bonnet. So make sure to check that out. And if you have a Puro Sangue, well, congratulations, but you can make it even cooler. But that's not why we're here. I have some really cool keys in my pocket, which unfortunately aren't mine yet again. But look at this. I think it's a good idea if we take this car outside. The weather's beautiful, and then we can take a deeper dive into this beauty.
We will do.
I'll give you the keys back. Yes, we brought this thing outside and it's incredible. This color is an MSO color, McLaren Special Operations Ceramic Grey. And in the sunlight, this thing is beautiful and all those carbon fiber options are popping off really. Now, let's take a view back to the past. Back in 1963, Bruce McLaren got around to building his first race car, you know, the papaya orange one. And in the following years, booked massive successes in racing. And along the line, they created some special projects like the McLaren F1 or the Mercedes McLaren SLR, beautiful in themselves. And back in 2011, they started producing their own real production cars. That was the MP4-12C. Now, power-wise, incredible. Design-wise, incredible. But the car was just incredible when it worked. And then the following years, in 2013, they got around to making the McLaren P1. In my opinion, the epitome of a supercar. Incredible looks, incredible performance, and a bit scary to drive as well. Now, some years later, they improved on the quality and the performance as well. So in 2017, they introduced the McLaren 720S. And for a third of the price of a P1, you can get around the same lap times. And then all the information they gathered years after, they created this masterpiece, the 750S, which is like the perfected version of a 720, with more power and less weight, so better at shaving off those seconds off on the track. Now, and if that isn't enough, NOVITEC created an even better car out of it. So this is the NOVITEC carbon fiber trunklet, which is exposed carbon fiber, and I mean, it's incredible. You see the carbon fiber, the weave matches with the OEM standard McLaren carbon fiber. This is an MSO option. It's not standard, this is an MSO option. Over here at the front, we have the NOVITEC front splitter. Now, the difference that is with the 720 and the 750 is that this part is completely in the same color as the body color. So the carbon fiber contrast is really popping off. Also, 750S, 720S, the headlights are in the same body color, but with NOVITEC you can opt to have it carbon fiber. And this is not just a headlight, it is form follows function at McLaren. So if you see here, it goes immediately to the cooling, improves the aerodynamic. This is so sick. I've seen these cars in pictures beforehand, but looking at this in real life this is different. This is different stuff. NOVITEC wheels, MC4 wheels, combined with the sport spring, so it's a bit lower, has better handling, even better handling, and also better at shaving those tenths of a second on the track. I think this is the masterpiece of this entire car. NOVITEC side skirt. Look at the way it swoops together with the lines, and it creates so much balance in the car. When you open the door, it's in two pieces. So you don't have to worry about damaging the carbon fiber when you step out. And look at the finishes. It is so beautiful. NOVITEC isn't just your carbon fiber styling brand, it's the real deal. At the back we also have some more concave in those wheels. Papaya orange McLaren calipers. And over to the back, the NOVITEC rear bumper with the carbon fiber, and that combined with the diffuser with the additional extra carbon fiber slats. Now, exhaust wise, it's standard, but maybe the customer will spec that option too. I think you should go for it. I just feel special walking around this thing, and this is a masterpiece of performance and elegance. And if you like this type of cars and you like this type of videos, press subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you next time.